Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2007 Chrysler Pacifica with a 4.0 V6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button for me and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? It really helps me out a lot. First thing we're going to do is pop our hood. Alright, we've got our hood popped. I recommend doing this with a cold engine so you don't burn yourself or anything, because the low pressure port is all the way down here. So you gotta snake your arm down here, and you don't wanna get burned on something. You definitely don't want the engine running when you do this, when you're hooking this up. So then we're gonna just connect our fitting. Sorry, I'm trying to get a shot. You just push that on there and it'll click on. I'm gonna have a link in the description below where you can get a recharge hose and coolant and stuff like that. Now that we've got our recharge hose connected, we're going to start our engine. Make sure that your recharge hose is somewhere where it's not going to get caught in a belt, obviously. And then we want to turn our AC on. We want it on high. We're going to turn our fan speed all the way up. Alright. Now you can see my system has 0 pressure. So we're just going to squeeze the trigger, oscillate the can between 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock. See, we're starting to get some pressure built up in there. You're just going to do this until you start seeing your compressor kick on. Your compressor is right down here. See it right there? Not spinning right now. You want to make sure that you see that AC compressor start spinning, and then your needle will probably drop, and then it'll drop down to a point, and then your compressor will kick off, the needle will pop back up, it'll kick on, it'll go down, it'll stop, and it's going to keep doing that. And what you want to do is fill it up until you're in the green and the compressor stays on all the time, and the needle doesn't drop to the point where the compressor kicks off. So at this point, you're going to do that until it's full. And then I would recommend shutting off your engine. And then if your engine's not hot, you might be able to reach down there. But just be careful. You don't want to burn yourself or get your hand caught in anything. So be careful. Do this at your own risk. Remember to put your AC cap back on. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and have a good one.